ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad Sangma hakakat nyo terik benai naiwing aracara arpuway ule yathu baka Sorkar Jylla kala thaulat ban Ïakren bat ke Sorkar Pdeng ne kebenta ban Pyllait nyo ya ke Tulop badang Sahteng jong ki Nonghikai School SSA ki badan hapo gani ke Jylla Meghalaya. Kadahdu menta ki Nonghikai School SSA kindang yo shwa tang ya ke Tulop ke bat Sahteng tang arbenai kata tang ne kebenta jong ubenai Jylla bat ubenai naitung kat ban benta jong ubnai nailar hadu ubnai risau ke Sorkar Jylla kandang hap ban ap ya ke bahak pisa ke ban Pyllait ya ke Sorkar Pdeng. Haka bayadai bat ke jingdawa ban penrung no ya ki Nonghikai School SSA ne ke State Implementation Society sya katanat puli puthi. Menteri Rangba ulaong baka SSA kadai tang ke program ke babai pisa de ke Sorkar Pdeng pat ke Sorkar Jylla kamla asatya ban le AA ne ke benta ban penrung ya ki Nonghikai School SSA kum ki Nonghikai bepura jong ke Sorkar.
There is a delay in the release of financial support from Government of India for all the states in the country, not just Meghalaya. So all the states of the SSA teachers have not received the salary. But in the recent past, Meghalaya and a few other states received partial amount, but 70% of the states still have not received a single rupee. We are in discussion mode with Government of India to request them to release more funds to it. But as and when the funds are being released, we are also releasing to the SSA teachers, and we'll continue to do that in the future. We understand the problems they're facing, but this is a very, very complex situation where, as I said, the entire country is suffering right now, not just Meghalaya state. But let me show that we will try our best to find a solution to this and try to help out SSA teachers. The regularization aspect is a completely different aspect. SSA program was a program started by the Government of India on areas where the different schools were not present, and so therefore it was a program completely financed 90% by Government of India. So it cannot be linked to a regularization by the state government. So if central government tells us that the funding will continue and there will be regularization from Government of India's side on this entire SSA program, then obviously we would want to move forward in that. But from the state government side, it will not be possible to give any kind of commitment right now for any kind of regularization for the SSA schools from the state government side. So if central government goes for a proposal and moves to regularize them at the national level, then definitely it will be a positive move.